Hey YouTube creators! Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got some big news that's going to completely change the way you think about YouTube Shorts. Starting October 15th, YouTube is giving us more flexibility with Shorts by allowing uploads up to 3 minutes long. That's right! The 60-second limit is being expanded to 3 minutes, which means we now have triple the time to tell stories, share our creativity, and connect with audiences. What's changing? Up until now, YouTube Shorts had a maximum length of 60 seconds. It's fast, it's fun, but sometimes, let's be honest, it feels a little limiting, right? Starting October 15th, you'll be able to upload Shorts that are up to 3 minutes long. Now, 3 minutes may not sound like a lot, but in the world of Shorts, it's a game changer. You get the best of both worlds. The punchy, snappy energy of short-form content combined with enough space to develop ideas and stories further. So why is this update a big deal? It's all about giving creators like us more flexibility. With 60 seconds, you had to pack in everything quickly, often rushing through your ideas or cutting out parts of your story. But with up to 3 minutes, we now have the breathing room to add more depth and show more of ourselves. It's all about giving you more space to be creative and connect with your audience in a more meaningful way. Whether you're already creating Shorts or just getting started, this update opens up a lot of new possibilities. If you create tutorials, this is your chance to go into greater detail. Let's say you're a beauty influencer. Now you can walk your viewers through an entire makeup routine, step by step, without feeling rushed. For the vloggers out there, a 3-minute limit means you can share more of your daily experiences, trips, or creative processes. Think of it as a mini vlog, just enough to give your audience a fuller glimpse into your life without losing that short-form energy. If you're into storytelling, skits, or scripted content, this is where it gets really interesting. 3 minutes allows for better character development, punchier humor, or more emotionally engaging moments. Imagine being able to build tension or craft a full arc in your story, all within a single short. One of the best things about this update is that longer Shorts can lead to deeper engagement with your audience. With up to 3 minutes, you can build stronger connections by giving viewers more of your personality, more of your story, and more value in your content. More of you means a stronger connection with your viewers. So, how can you ensure that you're making the most out of this extra time without losing your audience's attention? YouTube is giving us the chance to create longer Shorts, up to 3 minutes starting on October 15th. And it's all about giving us more time to tell our stories, share our creativity, and connect with our audiences in a deeper way. If you're excited about this update, let me know in the comments what kind of 3-minute Shorts you're planning to create. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any tips and tricks to help you grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.